Hello students, how are you? Now we will prove theorem number 6.3. Here transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. So transversal and two parallel lines are given. So first we have to draw the diagram. So two parallel lines are line M and line N. Line M and line N are two parallel lines and its transversal is, this is the transversal, line L is the transversal. So when transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Consider this one is a point A, point B, C and D, and this one as P, Q, R and S. So interior angle on the same side of transversals are supplementary. So which are the interior angles? Total 4 interior angles are there. This one and this one. These are the 4 interior angles. Done. So out of that 4 interior angles, this pair of angle is the same side of transversal, and this is another pair of interior angle on the another side of transversal. You have to prove this pair of interior angle on the same side of transversals are supplementary angles. What is the meaning of supplementary angle? Sum of measure of that angle equal to 180 degree. So now given two parallel lines and its transversal is given. In short, you can also write like this. Here M and N. So M parallel N and L is its transversal. You can write theorem in your own words, है ना. टेक्स्ट बुक में जो दिया है वो कुछ ऐसे रट्टा नहीं लगाना है. सो M parallel N and L is transversal. To prove क्या करना है? इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल्स. सो फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ एंगल है ना, दिस पेयर ऑफ एंगल बी क्यू आर, एंगल बी क्यू आर प्लस एंगल क्यू आर डी. These two angles, that is interior angles on the same side of transversal, and they are supplementary angles. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary angles. So their sum of measure is equal to 180 degree. Second pair is this one, these two angles. So this one is angle AQR, angle AQR plus angle this one QRC is equal to 180 degree. So interior angles on the same side of transversals are supplementary angles that you have to prove. Done? Now proof of this theorem. Proof. So proof will start from the given. So here M is parallel to N and L is its transversal. L is its transversal. Now first result. These two pair of angle are linear pair of angle. Here we can say that this ray QB stands on line L. Here you can say that ray QB stands on line L. Done? And therefore these two pair of angles are linear pair of angles. Sum of their angle is 180 degree, and they why supplementary angles. So pair of these two angles, angle PQB plus angle BQR equal to 180 degree. Say this one as a result number 1, and the reason, these are the linear pair of angle, linear pair of angles, and a linear pair of angles. Ray QM stands on line L. These two pair of angles are linear pair of angle. Now think about this angle, these two angles. These two angles are corresponding angles. So second result. Now corresponding angles are equal. So angle PQB, angle PQB is equal to angle, this angle which is QRD, angle QRD, QRD. Say this one as a result number 2, and the reason is these angles are pair of corresponding angle, pair of corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles. Done. So here these two angles are equal, this angle equal to this angle, so we can say that we can replace this angle by this angle. So now say from result 1 and result 2. So from result number 1 and result number 2. Result number 1 says sum of measure of angle PQB and BQR is 180 degree, and result 2 says that our PQB is equal to QRD. In short, now we will replace this PQB with this angle QRD. Done, because PQB is equal to QRD. So replace this QRD with PQB. So from result 1 and 2, we can write this first result as a replacing this angle PQB with angle QRD. So it's a QRD plus angle BQR equal to 180 degree. So what is BRD? QRD plus BQR equal to 180 degree, and these two angles are nothing but the interior angle on the same side of transversal, and that sum is 180 degree, and therefore we can say that these two angles are supplementary angles, and these two angles are nothing but the interior angles on the same side of transversal, and therefore hence we prove that interior angles on the same side of transversal are equal. Interior angle on the same side of transversals are equal. Similarly, this is our result 1. Similarly, we can prove this result 2, that is angle AQR and angle QRC are supplementary angles, or we can say are the interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary angles equal to 180 degree. Done. So pause the video and note it down.